Ever wonder, is this money transfer magic? Imagine this, it's your birthday, and your bestie across town remembers with a surprise. They whip out their phone, tap a few buttons, and poof! Money appears in your account. Sounds like financial witchcraft, right? Well, not quite. This birthday miracle might be thanks to a service called Zelle. But here's the real question, how long does this digital money transfer take? Because let's be honest, waiting for a birthday gift is fun, but waiting for your rent money, not so much. Fear not, friends. That's exactly what we're here to crack the code on today. So, settle in, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of Zelle and how fast those virtual funds can fly. The beauty of Zelle, speed is key. Alright, enough with the suspense. The answer is this, for someone already enrolled in Zelle, receiving money is typically a lightning-fast affair, happening within minutes. That's right, minutes. We're talking birthday gift level speed. Now, that might sound too good to be true. But the magic behind Zelle is its connection to existing bank accounts. Think of it like this, you're sending money through a familiar tunnel, not building a new road every single time. But wait, there's more, the not-so-speedy scenario. Hold on a second, though. Before you start planning a birthday bash funded entirely by digital gifts from your generous family, we can all dream, there's a slight catch. This super-speedy delivery only applies if the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle. If your friend isn't signed up yet, things slow down a bit. In this case, they'll receive a notification with the money waiting, but they'll need to complete the Zelle enrollment process to claim it. Now, enrollment itself is usually a quick and easy process. But depending on their bank, it might take up to 3 business days for the funds to finally hit their account. Not as fast as a birthday surprise, but still faster than a snail mail check, right? The key to speedy delivery, be a Zelle pro. So, how can you ensure your money gets to its destination faster? Here are some Zelle pro tips. Double-check those details. Before hitting send, make sure you have the recipient's correct email address or US mobile number linked to their Zelle account. A typo can mean a delay and a potentially awkward conversation with your friend. Spread the Zelle love. Encourage your friends and family to sign up for Zelle. The more people on board, the faster those digital birthday gifts, or rent payments, can flow. The final verdict, Zelle's fast but not instant, for everyone. Alright, folks, here's the takeaway, Zelle is super fast for enrolled users, making it a great option for quick and easy money transfers between friends, family, or even splitting the bill after dinner. But for non-enrolled recipients, there's a bit of a waiting game involved. The important thing to remember is that Zelle offers a convenient and generally speedy alternative to traditional money transfers. Just be sure everyone involved is Zelle ready for the ultimate speed experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, stay financially informed.